Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make the chip of this fish. This is anchovies dry fish. Okay, so I'm very tiny like an anchovy, I'm gonna show you how to make a chip. My ingredient is organic olive oil and sesame oil. Okay, this kind of brand sesame oil is very good. This is from Japan. That's a good one right here. Japan product from Japan. It's a good one, guys. If you want sesame oil, you go. They have so many you can fill if you don't know how to buy. I'm recommend to buy this one, Japan brand. Okay, product from Japan. So let's go start it, and my pot ready to go. Okay, let's go start. Turn on the stove. And I just want to let you know, if you like to buy this kind of anchovy fish, you can go to Latte. You see that Latte? The name of right here. Korean market, guys. They only have in Korean market, okay? Go there. It's the best buying over there. It's very cheap. The price is $11. $11.02. That's nothing. And you can make the chip eat with anything. It's so good. Okay, let's go do it right now.